Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and this is Jan and Mike's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. This unit does light up, but it stays lit, and there is no animation, and there is no talking with the animation. We want to troubleshoot the main PC boards of the base unit. We also want to troubleshoot our servo and the gear cluster pack. So we will be troubleshooting the entire unit while it's in the shop. This unit may have taken a fall, or sometimes young children will try to restrict the movement when it's animated and it's moving, or they'll try to make it move, and that's where you run into issues and problems. So we have a lot of work that needs to be done. We're going to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs. We found that the servo had no connection to it, and so maybe that happened in a fall, or someone took it apart in the past and disconnected it. We also had to go through and make sure all the timing was proper, so we went through everything and we're finished up and ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that anytime that you plug these type of lamps in to the electrical outlet or unplug them, you always want to make sure that you turn the main power switch at the back of the base of these type of lamps. Turn that power switch in the off mode. The circuitry that is associated with these type of lamps is pretty delicate, and if you're going to let the unit set for a long time, you always want to make sure you turn that main power switch in the off mode. We'll go ahead and start our final checkout. Now we have the main power switch at the back of the base of this unit is turned on. So now what we want to do is go ahead and turn the unit on.
Now you can see what you're doing.
And we're going to give that a second. We don't want to turn this type of lamp on and off too quickly. You always want to give it a little bit. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Hey, who turned off the... Oh, I did.
And Mickey has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Ah, that's better.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
Lights out.
We'll do that one more time. We'll turn the lamp on.
What a bright idea.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Jan and Mike, who have plans on handing it down to their grandson. I'm sure he'll get to enjoy this lamp for many years. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.